within the nucleus. And the two most prominent are haploid and diploid, with the haploid containing one set of chromosomes and diploid containing two sets of chromosomes, one from each parent. When there are more than two sets of chromosomes for all cells, such a state is called polyploidy. And the sets of chromosomes that are traits can range from 3, triploid, to as high as 64 sets, tetrahex quintuploid, and sometimes even more, 10,48,576, ploidy, in silkworms. The most obvious difference between haploid and diploid is the number of chromosome sets that are formed in the nucleus. Haploid cells are those that have only a single set of chromosomes, while diploid cells have two sets of chromosomes. Haploid versus diploid. The other main difference between haploid and diploid cells is how they reproduce. Haploid cells are formed through meiosis and diploid cells undergo mitosis. Higher organisms such as humans and most other mammals are diploid organisms. The major differences are summarized below. Difference between haploid and diploid. Haploid. Diploid. Haploid cells contain only one set of chromosomes, N. Diploid, as the name indicates, contains two sets of chromosomes, 2N. Haploid cells are formed by the process or meiosis. Diploid cells undergo mitosis. In the higher organism, such as humans, haploid cells are only used for sex cells. In the higher organism, such as humans, all other cells besides sex cells are diploid. Examples of haploid cells are gametes, male or female germ cell. Examples of diploid cells include blood cells, skin cells, and muscle cells. These cells are known as somatic cells. Haploid cells. Haploid cells contain only one set of chromosomes. Gametes or sex cells are the most common type of haploid cells. They are produced by meiosis and are genetically diverse. When the haploid cells from male and female fuse together during fertilization, it forms a diploid cell. Diploid cells. These cells have two sets of chromosomes. It is formed by the fusion of two haploid cells. Most mammals are diploid, i.e., they have two homologous copies of each chromosome in the cells. They are produced by mitosis. The somatic cells in humans are diploid cells. Thus were the difference between haploid and diploid.